Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So the ADA chart is currently reacting to that micro support area. I really only want to focus on the shorter time frame. ADA quite weak today. We just saw a little bit of a let's say a boost on the Bitcoin chart, which is forecasted in our white scenario on the Bitcoin chart. Here on the ADA chart, I'd really like to see a little bit more upside momentum to get some more confidence in this breakout pattern that we've been tracking. As per previous updates, we see this pullback as only a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend. So I know a lot of people are nervous. I mean, you shouldn't be nervous really. You know, if you sized correctly, if you have your stops in place, anything else is a bit of a gamble in the crypto sector. If you don't have your stops, if you haven't got your position size management down correctly, but nevertheless, regardless, the idea is from a structural point of view that this is only a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend. And for me, the main question is this low already in? Which definitely is plausible, okay? And then we are now going to get 5 waves up from here to the next upside Fib level at 142, maybe even 172. Those are the next larger degree Fib targets, Fibonacci targets. Or do we get one more low? In that case, this wave 4 here either has topped and we're moving down in like 1, 2, 3. So this would be absolutely a plausible scenario that we say this wave 4 is still unfolding. And then we talk about that 5th wave down there, which could be like wave 1, you know, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. This is definitely something I'm considering, but what does this white scenario tell us? Is it a prediction? No. It basically just tells us we have to be on the side of caution. It also tells us that the immediate downside move will be formally invalidated with a break above the, well, $1 mark, 99.8 cents or something. This swing high from the 21st of December. So should the market break above that level, the white scenario, which suggests one more low is likely directly, this will get invalidated, yeah? Which means a break above it, especially a sustained above that high, a sustained break above that high, would give us more clarity that the yellow scenario is clearly leading. But I already gave you that support region to which we see an initial reaction, but it's too weak at this stage. We'd like to see a little bit more upside momentum. And as mentioned in the previous updates, what we also want to see is a break above the upper boundary line of that trend channel to suggest really that this third wave to the upside is unfolding. Then we can talk about possible targets as well. I mean, if that yellow wave 2 bottomed in our micro support region, then the upside target for the third wave, we talk about actually $1.24. I've basically placed it there already roughly. So this is what we're tracking at the moment on the ADA chart. To keep it very simple, there's a micro support area that we are watching that offers some weak support. It is located between 81 cents and 90 cents here, this support region for the yellow scenario. That is, and the lower boundary line of that Fibonacci micro support area, which is located between at 80.9 cents, that's the lower boundary line. That's the pivot that helps us to distinguish between the white and the yellow scenarios, and to the upside, a break above the 99.8 cent level, especially if it's a sustained break, would strongly suggest that the third wave there to the upside in yellow is actually unfolding. That would be further confirmed with a break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel. And if that all happens, the third wave should take us to the 138% extension at $1.25. So this is what we're watching, but overall the move up from the low looks very, very choppy. If the entire sector now goes up, then I think ADA will have a chance, but this is very, very choppy and I don't expect massive movements here over the holiday period. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.